Hello everyone. Next we are going to apply a clip in our hair and then taking two layers, and then we are going to make two braids and then joining them again with the help of this bobby pin. Next we are going to apply a clip on one side and then taking three layers from each side and one from the another and attaching it to the same clip. Next we are going to join a clip to our hair and then taking 4 layers in total, joining them to the clip and then making 2 braids from the remaining untied hair. We are going to loosen it and then joining it opposite to each other and help of a clip. Next we are going to take hair from one side, making the simple braid by twisting around and then taking hair from another side and making a braid again and joining it from the opposite side. Next we are going to take some hair, joining it with rubber band and then loosen it as shown. Then we are going to make a ponytail and then we are going to fold it into a shape of this low bun. Next we are going to apply a clip in our hair and then we are going to take a part of our hair and joining it to the clip opposite to each other and your hairstyle is done. Next we are adding a clip and then taking layer from each side, 3 from one side and 1 from the another side. Next we are making a braid at one side and then forming it into a bun and securing it with a bobby pin. Next we are going to make a small braid by taking some hair, then taking 2 layers of hair, joining it with rubber band. At last we are taking the untied hair and making a bun. Next we are going to take 2 layers, securing it with rubber band and then again passing one from each other and your beautiful hairstyle is done. At last we are going to apply a clip.